What's up everybody and welcome to another Sunday hike, and this is take number 3. I am so awesome. On the first take I forgot to turn on the microphone. On the second take I noticed that I had my microphone plugged in the headphone plug instead of the microphone plug, so the sound was from the internal microphone, which sounded awful, especially it sounded very windy. So this is take number 3. Sadly, this is after I filmed the drone, so the introduction will be after filming the drone. No idea yet how I will make it. But anyways, I flew the drone. I got it back from repair and they actually did change the remote, and I also changed the propellers on the drone, and it does fly better now. Especially it's more stable in the air, it doesn't drift anymore, and when I look in one direction it stays in that direction, so this is really good. And I think that the connection is also a little bit better. I don't know if this is just because of where we are or if it really is because of the new remote. And I'm being attacked by how do we call them? Ants? No, not ants. The ones that bite you. Mosquitoes. Well, I don't even know. It's not really mosquitoes. It's the small ones that bite you. Ticks, maybe? Well, no idea. But yeah, I did fly the drone, but the problem is that the scenery is not yet really cinema ready, because while the grass fields are very green already, the trees sadly are still very brown and dead, so it's not the most beautiful scenery to film. But still, I tried some new tricks, some new shots. Let's see how it turns out, and I think that later on I will still film some more droning. I won't really be using this camera to do any cinematic b-roll or something like that today. But anyway, see you later. Alright, yes, that's been it. I hope you've enjoyed the drone footage, and yes, as I've said, it's not the most beautiful scenery at the moment, but I think 2 weeks from now, especially if we get some rain soon, it should be really blooming, and then I will be able to take some better photos and videos. And I must also say, first, I'm really happy with Peter's bag that I bought. I'm not reviewing it yet, but it's really comfortable. I've been using it on 2 hikes this week. Well, on Friday for 15 kilometers in the mountains, and today 10 kilometers here in the lowlands, but still the hilly lands, and it's been really comfortable, not bothering me at all. Even though it's pretty heavy, feels comfortable around the shoulders. And now I'm even using my clip plate here, so I can carry the camera up here without having to put it in the bag the whole time. So at the moment I'm really happy. It's really working out the way I wanted it to. And sorry about the glasses, but that's what I have now. And yeah, it's been a really awesome and active week actually. It started last Sunday with a hike in the lowlands for about 12 kilometers. Then on the Monday I went on a 14 kilometers run. Then I worked for 2 days in a job that is very physical, each day doing 15,000 steps about. On Thursday I did another 15 kilometers walk. On Friday we did the alpine hike of about 12 kilometers. Saturday I worked again, another 15,000 steps, and today another hike of about 10 kilometers. I don't think I've been that active in a very, very long time, and I really hope that we can keep it up. And especially, come here honey, I'm really proud of my wife. When we started those hikes like 2 weeks ago, she barely got up a steep hill, and now she's been walking faster than me even. I couldn't keep up with her today. She had to slow down for myself, so she's really awesome. So she'll handle the world trip without any problems at all, right?
I hope so.
Yeah. Right, thank you very much for watching, and see you again next week, I guess, or in a few days maybe. Ah yes, before I close it down, I don't have any job at the moment. Actually, I had my last day of work last Saturday, last Saturday, and at the moment there's nothing else planned until the state of emergency is over. So let's see, maybe I will have some more time to do some more videos. Right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.